Hello everyone and welcome to the new video. Meal prep for me is absolutely an unfinished chore if I have not made this liquid gold. It smells so aromatic and makes everything taste delicious. Yes, I am talking about our very own delicious, simple homemade ghee. I like to caramelize it a little so that it brings out the nutty flavor of the ghee. I have an entire recipe how I like to make my ghee, and I will leave the video link in the description box. I like to keep the kadhai at an angle so that rest of the ghee can be scooped too. Eating a teaspoon of ghee every single day has multiple benefits, be it your heart health, gut health, skin, hair, or bone health. We have been eating oats roti for a very long time now. And now it has become absolutely a no-brainer for me. I thought I'll share this simple recipe of oats roti with you all. Take 1 cup of water and bring it to a roaring boil. Add 1 cup of oats flour. Once the water is boiling, just add the flour and keep whisking it till it forms a lump. Cover the mixture and let it cool down, so much so that you can easily knead it when it's still warm enough. Making round rotis is absolutely an art in my opinion, and it takes a lot of skill and effort, and I still don't understand why it has been so underrated. Well, I am no pro in making round rotis at all. Believe it or not, I still use all sorts of hacks to make the rotis round and puff up. If someone had to rate my cooking skills based on how round my rotis are, I don't think I would score more than 1 or 2 out of 10. And when I struggle making these rotis, I often resort to the cutter or any sharp lid that can give me a circle approximately diameter of 7-inch or 8-inch works perfectly. I personally like the taste of fulka than the rotis because it does not get in contact with direct gas heat and it keeps the taste intact. Also, when you are making these oats roti, once it has puffed up as per your liking, do not forget to cover them. Do not forget to cover them in the roti box. The steam inside makes them furthermore soft. They are far more soft rotis than the whole wheat atta. I made a simple lunch of mixed vegetables, chickpea salad, and some chaach. along with some mint pudina chutney. After turning gluten free and understanding the benefits of millets, I have made always an effort to include it in our meals. Granola and millet bhuja are two of the simple meal prep that I like to do. And today I'm trying a new variation of granola with some peanut butter. I have taken all the nuts and seeds that I had in my pantry and I'm going to dry roast this at 150°C for 20 minutes in a fan assisted oven. They will turn crisp and nutty. To this I will add some jowar flakes or sorghum flakes. You can also add ragi flakes. And if there is a winter season where you stay, do not hesitate to add some bajra flakes instead. It will keep the body warm. I will divide this batch into two, and to one of the batch, and to the first batch I will add some berries, raisins, desiccated coconut, walnuts and cashews. To this I will also add some rolled old-fashioned oats and prepare the mixture. This will create the base for our granola. And for the syrup for granola I am using a cup of jaggery and half a cup of peanut butter and 1/4 cup of water. I'll cook this on a low heat till it starts bubbling and the syrup thickens. At this stage you can add spices like cinnamon, cardamom, clove, vanilla. I really like the taste of peanut butter, so I'm not going to add anything else to it. Now on the bed of this granola mix, we will add that syrup and mix it thoroughly so that each and every grain of this granola is coated well. I will line a baking sheet with a parchment paper, and this is mandatory because this is going to stick otherwise to your tin, and that's not a great feeling. And then just pat it with the back of a spoon. Here I am using a measuring cup. While taking care of home, I have just realized taking care of myself is equally or rather more important. Because if I am not healthy or feeling my best, I will never be able to keep my loved ones happy. I have created this small skincare routine. I'm repurposing Ishi's old pencil pouches. I'll use these to organize my bedside table.
Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Ordering a cup of love, feel it rising.
This nightstand is actually from IKEA, and IKEA sells it as a shoe cabinet. But for this narrow space, I found that this was a perfect solution to create a nightstand. And this holds pretty decent amount and it can be easily dismantled. So the idea of keeping everything in the nightstand so that I can get into a daily habit of doing it. Because any skincare works if you are doing it on a regular basis. I'm keeping it right next to my journal. I'm also adding a couple of face masks because I do not want to stand in the bathroom for half an hour with a face mask on. And just like that, my nightstand is organized. The second portion of the nuts and seed mixture I'll be using to make millet bhuja. In coconut oil, I have added some black mustard seeds, curry leaves, green chili, turmeric powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, and little bit of sambar masala and red chili powder. I'll quickly toast these masalas, not more than for 10 seconds, and then add the entire mix. Add salt and chaat masala as per your taste. Since everything is pre-roasted, just give a quick stir and let it cool. I got these tension rods from Amazon. They came in a set of 2, and this was a perfect renter-friendly solution if you want to add a curtain. I wanted to add a curtain here in this laundry area where it is like an open storage for us. It looks a little tacky when it's open, and once I added the curtain, it completely changed the look and feel of the place. I also got these bamboo trays from Amazon, and they are so good quality. I use these as my placemats, and they are washable, which makes them a perfect solution for Indian dining table accessory. I will pack everything in an airtight container and this entire mixture stays fresh for absolutely a week or 10 days on the shelf. If you freeze them, they will last you for more than 2 months easily.
Everybody has their job, 9 to 5, and getting drained. They settle for second best, scared to risk what the future might bring.
I wanted these granola to form a bar, but I think the amount of jaggery was a little less to hold it in shape. But the taste is absolutely divine, so I am not adding any more jaggery. I'll leave the recipe in the description box. If you want to make it into a bar, you can add a little extra jaggery. Since I'm planning to keep it on the shelf, I will not use any form of dates in this. But if you choose to use dates instead of jaggery, then keep it in the fridge. On shelf, it will last absolutely for entire week, and believe it or not, this will finish in my house way before that. Few days back, I organized my kitchen countertop and pantry, and they both have been working so wonderfully for me. I will leave the video links in the description box. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please consider subscribing to the channel and like this video. I'll see you in my next. Until next time, bye-bye.
Everybody has their job, 9 to 5, and getting drained. They settle for second best, scared to risk what the future might bring. What the future might bring. I hope